Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video I'm going to show you how to invite all of your friends to like a page. So if you see here, I have around 1694 friends and I have created different pages. So one of the page I have created is called Amir's 2 cents. So if I go there and then I'm going to click on the page, and it will open my page that I have created. So from here you can see we have liked, following, share, and right here there is more option. So click there, invite friends, and that's where you are gonna see you can invite all of your friends. Here I have invited all of them. So let's say you have left few of them, you can say not invited, you can say select all and then send invitation to them. So let's go to another page where I don't have a lot of friends invited. I didn't invite them. So I'm gonna go to the this page, that is Babaji farm. That's my farm, and I use as a hobby, and I need to invite all those 1600 friends who are my friends on the Facebook page. So I will go to this more option, go to the invite friends, and then here you can see that it will show me all those 1621s. I never invite them. I can select all of them and then I can click send invites. So once I send invites, it will invite all of my friends to like my page. This is how you can invite all of your friends in one click to like the new page you have created. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.